Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Blender on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, my advice is to download it from the Microsoft Store because it is available in the Microsoft Store. And if a software is available on the Microsoft Store, it's always advisable to download it from there. Now you have a lot of options here, the 3.6 version, 2.8 version, 3.31, but the latest version is this one with the 4.6 rating. So I use this one and I have already installed it, but if you haven't, just click on the install button here. Alternatively, you can also search for Blender on Bing. Blender on the Bing search bar. Search it on Bing, not on Google. I'll tell you why. Because when you search it on Bing, it picks up the most original download and shows it at the top, because there are a lot of third-party download websites which may not be good, which may contain viruses and malware. And it also says that it's available on these other genuine websites like CNET and Microsoft Store. So you can click on the download button here, download and install it. But Microsoft Store is the best because with one click you will be able to install it on your system. Obviously, unless you are using a local account. Now I'll open Blender. So search for Blender in the Windows search bar. Latest version is 4.1.1, but it keeps on changing. And then you have the whole interface here. You can start a new project, and it always starts with a cube. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.